For professionals and enthusiasts tackling intricate electronics repair, having the right tools is paramount. The 8898 presents itself as an integrated 2-in-1 soldering and rework station, designed to address a broad spectrum of repair challenges. This unit aims to provide a comprehensive solution for precise component work, from delicate soldering to complex desoldering tasks. Central to its design is the dual functionality, combining both a soldering iron and a rework system within a single unit. Boasting a substantial 750 watts of power, the station is equipped to deliver rapid heat-up times and maintain stable temperatures, critical for efficient and consistent results across various applications. The inclusion of an LCD digital display provides clear, real-time feedback, enabling users to monitor and precisely adjust temperature settings for both functions with ease. This station is specifically engineered for the demanding world of modern electronics repair. Its capabilities are well suited for intricate tasks such as servicing cell phones, working with ball grid array, BGA, components, surface mount devices, SMD, printed circuit boards, PCB, and integrated circuits, IC. Whether performing delicate component replacement or comprehensive board-level repairs, the 8898 is positioned as a versatile tool for precision work. From a usability perspective, the integrated 2-in-1 design contributes to a more organized workspace, consolidating essential tools into one footprint. The digital display enhances user control by providing immediate and accurate temperature readings, which is vital for preventing damage to sensitive components. This level of precise control, coupled with the robust 750W power, suggests a reliable performance foundation for consistent operation in a professional repair environment. In summary, the 8898 soldering and rework station offers a highly functional and integrated solution for specialized electronics repair. Its combination of dual capabilities, significant power output, and clear,